Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha and again I am here with my new video. So without any further delay, let's get started our topic. So today I would like to talk about all uses of could. Yes, all uses of could like sakta tha, sakti thi, sakte the, saka, saki, sake, paya. So today I would like to clear your all concept about could. So please watch this video till the end. It will definitely help you a lot. So first is could means sakta tha, sakti thi, sakte the, saka, saki, paya. Okay. So here is some example like मैं जा सकता था, I could go. मैं तुमसे मिल सकता था, I could meet you. Like this type of example you have to make for yourself, and after that you are not having any kind of issue about could. So second concept is could be means हो सकता था, बन सकता था. जैसे वह वैज्ञानिक बन सकता था, he could be scientist. वह बाजार में हो सकता था, he could be in market. This type of sentence really you have to create for yourself to become fluent in this all concept about could. So our third concept is could be plus verb का third form, जिसमें हम passive voice का use करते हैं. जैसे उसे बुलाया जा सकता था, he could be called. Second is उसे फोन किया जा सकता था, he could be called. So like this type of sentence you have to create for yourself, because I am not able to create a lots of sentence for you. Okay, but definitely it would be help you a lot if you do like this. This is the right way to learn anything. So fourth concept is could have. पास हो सकता था, मिल सकता था और रख सकता था. Here is some example for you like तुम यह पेन रख सकते थे, you could have this pen. Second is तुम्हारे पास कार हो सकती थी, you could have a car. Okay, so like this type of sentence you have to create for yourself, and please enjoy this language because this language is really marvelous for everyone. So our fifth concept is could have to. ना पढ़ सकता था, नी पढ़ सकती थी, ने पढ़ सकते थे. So here is some example for you like मुझे जाना पड़ सकता था, I could have to go. मुझे मार्केट जाना पड़ सकता था, I could have to go market. And third example is for you. अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए मुझे ग्रामर सीखना पड़ सकता था, I could have to learn grammar to learn English. Definitely it would be help you a lot if you do practice like this. So our sixth number concept is couldn't help means के बिना नहीं रह सकता था. Here is some example for you. मैं आपसे बात किए बिना नहीं रह सकता था, I couldn't help talking to you. Second is मैं अस्पताल जाए बिना नहीं रह सकता था, I couldn't help going to hospital. So our 7 number concept is couldn't seem to. मुझे नहीं लगता पाता. So here is some example for you. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं आपसे मिल पाता, I couldn't seem to meet you. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं वहाँ जा पाता, I couldn't seem to go there. Like मुझे नहीं लगता मैं आपकी help कर पाता, I couldn't seem to help you. Okay? So that's all about uses of could. Definitely this video help you a lot. So please, if you like my video, don't forget to share, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, so bye bye friend, we will meet next day.